guys, welcome back to my channel and to my home. I'm Eileen, and today I'm going to do something completely different. You know, I've been trying to think of different things I'd like to do on my channel, and one thing I really enjoy is styling wigs. And if you've watched my channel, you know I do a lot of styling with my wigs and on my Instagram, and I thought, okay, I want to start doing some really short little videos showing how I do certain styles. So that's what I want to start today. Now they're going to be short. They're only probably going to be 5 or 10 minute little videos. But if you like these, let me know down below that you do, and maybe some styles that you'd like to see, and I'll do some videos on them. So let me show you what I have. I have Jon Renau Heidi in Shaded Praline, of course. And she is a longer wig. She's beautiful though. She has some short fringe here, and this long, not many layers, which is great for styling. Now, I wouldn't wear this wig like this. It's too much hair for me. As you see, I wear a lot of short wigs and some medium length wigs. I really don't wear wigs this long, even though I love them on people who do, but just on me, they don't look that great. So I'm going to, but I love this for styling. And you can do some really fun styles, and then I like to wear it that way. But you know, with not all the hair hanging down, it's not overwhelming. So this is one that I like to do some styling on, so I thought I would use her today to show you how I do it. So let's get started. Okay, all you're gonna need for this are 3 things. 4 really. You need a blockhead for your wig, pins to secure your wig to the block. I use 3. I use 1 on each ear tab and 1 in the back, a wide tooth comb, and a rubber band. That's it. So I hope this will be a good angle. I'll be able to move it around and show you how I did it. But I just brushed through the hair, and you're just going to make a simple ponytail, just like any ponytail you'd ever make. I just smooth it down, pull it back, and just a low ponytail. Okay, use your rubber band. And I think I'll wrap this 3 times. And that's it, okay? Now, just a simple ponytail, okay? Now, next, all you're gonna do is right in the middle of that ponytail, you're gonna go right above it and make a little hole, just like this. Right above the ponytail, you have a hole through the ponytail, okay? And then all you're gonna do is start feeding that ponytail through that hole. Just start feeding it through. No rhyme or reason, I just start pushing the hair through it. All the way through till you pull all that hair through. Just kind of secure it, give it a little pull, and that is it. Then I just kind of comb out the bottom, smooth it out. If you want to comb the top more, you can. Smooth it however you like it. This is not supposed to be perfect. This is just a fun pull-through ponytail, but it makes a wig like this that I would normally probably not wear because it was way too much hair for me, but I can wear this and it's got a cute style to it. So I'm going to try it on, and then we'll see how we like it. Okay guys, so this is the finished product with our simple flip-through ponytail. Now, like I said, that was a lot of hair for me, but with that little styling, I could wear this longer wig. Let me show you the back. Super easy, just couldn't be an easier style. Perfect for the summer, wear it anytime. So I hope you liked this little styling video. If you did, again, please leave me a note below and leave me some suggestions of other things you might like to see. And please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. And my friend Amy and I have a new Facebook group, and it's called Wig Wisdom. And we would love for you to join us over there as well. So I'll see you next time for more styling tips. And don't forget, we're all in this together.